Welcome to today's episode. Today I'm actually working on my Skyline. She's right there. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing today. I don't know if you've seen my other videos where I'm actually driving the car. There's no speedometer reading on it. I think I found the problem. So stay tuned. Hopefully this helps you. All right, so I replaced this sensor because I wasn't getting any readings. So this has a, you can spin it freely, so you can see. And then this sensor, it doesn't spin. It's hard to spin. So that's why I'm replacing it. And what happened with this, it locked up and it chewed up on my teeth here, these plastic teeth. It chewed them up. I tried putting this back in there and see if it worked and get some type of rating, but it didn't. So I ordered one from a 300ZX, and that's part number 32743-30P20. All right, so the way you replace this little gear thing, you take out this C-clip. It's just, you open it up and slide it out, and then you slide this in and put it back in. But you get what I'm saying. And then to put it back in, it just goes in that hole right there, and it slides in just like that. Like that. And if it wants to cooperate, it did cooperate. So now we just gotta turn it in and click. Once you hit that click and it's all good, then we're gonna line up this bracket here. Get some light, so we're gonna put this bracket on here and then plug it in. All right, so try to do this one-handed. So you start it with thread, hand start it so you don't cross thread it. And then hit a 10 mil. Snug it up, snug, and then plug in the connector. Make sure you hit that click and clean off the excess little fluid that started coming out, and let's test it. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. See if we got speed. Oh, and it works. It freaking works. Hell yeah. That to me right there is a moment of happiness, because I didn't have speed for a long time. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you out, and make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget that. Peace.